Good morning. So in our previous session we discussed about the growth factor method. We solved many problems on each method. Okay. Next further we have a problems on the synthetic model. Okay. In synthetic models we have a 4 methods, that is the gravity model or gravity methods, Tanner method, intervening opportunity method, and lastly we have a competing opportunity method. Okay. Now in this class we are going to solve the problem on the gravity model. See, in case of synthetic models, we know we are going to recognize the relationship. Okay, we are going to recognize the relationship between the trips. What is the relation? Whether there is a attraction or resistance. Okay, suppose if you take example, if your home is very near to city center, okay, or mall or theater, at that time you are going to make more number of trips because of the attraction. If you have a good public transport facility, at that time you are going to make more number of trips. If you have a private vehicles, okay, at that time you have means you may do more number of trips. Similarly, if you take any metropolitan city like Bangalore, okay, there if you want to travel 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers, it takes more time or it takes more cost. Okay, it may the travel means the trip may cost more, because as we know there will be a congestion. Due to the congestion, the time taken will be more for shorter distance. Similarly, the cost will be more, because to travel a smaller distance in Bangalore 5 km or 10 km travel ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, due to congestion our vehicle means now vehicle slow, we are going to move slowly. Okay, the vehicle will be in the idle condition. Okay, the fuel cost will be more, means the consumption of the fuel will be more. So these are the resistance, that may be time or cost or distance. Okay, if the distance is more, at that time we are going to reduce our trips. Okay, we are going to reduce our trips. These are the resistances. Okay, like this, based on the resistances and attraction, the trips will be generated. Okay, based on this we are going to establish the relationship in case of synthetic methods. Okay, in case of synthetic models, the first method is the gravity model. Okay, this method is based on the Newton theory. Okay, as the trip attraction increases, there will be increase in the trip generation also. Okay, it is directly proportional. Okay, the trip production will be directly proportional to the attraction and generation. As attraction increases, there will be more number of trip generation. It is directly proportional. Okay, these are the equation. Okay, these are the equation which are used in the gravity model method. Okay, these are the two equation. Okay, that is Ti2j is equal to K into Pi into Aj divided by d n to the power of I to j, where K, capital K, that is the constant. Okay, K is constant, where Pi, that are the trip generated in zone I, where Pi is the trip generated in the zone I, where Aj is the trip attracted to zone J. Okay, where Aj is the trip attracted to zone J, where d, that d is the resistance. That resistance may be time or distance or cost. Okay, between the zone I to j. Okay, that is the distance between I to j, or time taken to travel between I to j, or cost of the travel to make the trip. Okay, that is the resistance. Okay, d. Okay, where n is the exponential constant. Okay, it varies from 1 to 3. Okay, we are going to assume 2. Standard again you 2 assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ n value, otherwise whatever given in the question, you take down that value. Okay, otherwise that value will be, that exponential constant will be varied between 1 to 3. Next we have another formula. Okay, another equation in the gravity model to distribute the trips, interzonal trips na distribute madlike we have another formula. Okay, where Ti2j is equal to capital Pi into Aj divided by di2j whole to the power of n divided by summation of Aj divided by di2k whole to the power of n. We know capital Pi, that is the trips produced or generated in zone I, where capital Aj is the trip attracted to zone J, and we know what is d. D is the resistance. Okay, that may be the distance or cost or time taken to travel between zone I to j, where n is the exponential constant. We know it varies from 1 to 3 for our problem. Okay, to solve the problem we are going to assume it as a 2. Okay, divided by, okay, where Aj, we know the Aj value, and di2k. Okay, where k is the small k is the, that is the total number of zones, where k is the small k. Okay, that is the total number of zones, where capital K, that is the constant, where the small k, that is the total number of zones. Okay, let us solve the problem by using this equation. Okay, let us distribute the trips by using the gravity model method. Take down the question. Take down the question. You have to write down it. A self-contained, okay, before that you copy down this equation, please copy down this equation, okay, and note down, okay, what is K, what is P, you please note down that. Take down the question. A self-contained town consists of four residential areas, A, B, C and D, A, B, C and D, comma, two residential estates, we take down residential estates, two residential estates, X and Y, take it in capital letter, okay, X and Y, full stop. Generation equations show that for the design year in question, comma, the trips from home to work, generated by each residential area per 24 hour day are as follows. Please take down this. A, B, C, D. Corresponding to this, the trips generated in zone A is 1000, 2250, 1750, last it is 3200. Please take down this. Okay, like this as I written, column A bardi ade tara tagombeku. Okay. Okay, after this, continue the question. There are 3,700 jobs. In industrial estate X. In industrial estate X, and 4,500 jobs in industrial estate Y. Full stop. It is shown that it is known that the attraction between zones is inversely proportional to the square of the journey times, between zones, full stop. The journey times in minutes, from home to work are as follow. Okay, take down this. Okay, after this you take down, after that, calculate and tabulate the interzonal trips, calculate and tabulate the interzonal trips for journeys from home to work, journeys from home to work. See, in case of present problem, they have given 4 residential area, okay, 4 residential area that are A, B, C, D. So, suppose you can take that as a Kuvempu Nagar, Vijay Nagar, Saraswatipuram, okay, here they have mentioned that, okay, they are identifying through the alphabet, okay, A, B, C, D. These are the 4 residential areas. Through this, from this residential area, the trips are attracting towards the industrial area, okay, that is industrial estates. So we have 2 industrial estates, okay, that is X and Y, okay, from these all 4 zones, okay, the trips are attracting towards the 2 industrial area, that is X and Y, industrial area ಇದೆ, okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ 4 area ಇಂದ trips attract ಆಗ್ತದೆ, okay, that is given, okay, from each zone what is the trip attracted, that is given, okay, what is the trip generated, it is given. From A it is 1000, from B it is 2250, from C it is 1750, from D, okay, it is 3200. Next, see, from zone A, okay, the time taken to travel to industrial estate X, the time taken to A to X, it is 15 minutes. From zone A to industrial estate Y, the time taken to travel is 20 minutes. Similarly, from B to X it is given 15, B to Y it is given 10 minutes. Similarly, for C to X, C to Y it is given 10 minutes for both, okay. Lastly, that is D, sorry, it is D, okay, from D to X it is given 15 minutes, D to Y it is 20 minutes. See, using this data, now we are going to distribute the trips between the zones, okay, we are going to distribute the zones, okay. See, we have to consider this formula, this formula we are going to consider for this present problem, okay. We have more number of zones, so we are going to consider this equation to distribute the trips. I think I can start now, we can solve it, okay. By using this equation we are going to distribute the trips, okay. First, T I to J means T A to X, okay, T A to X, T A to X is equal to, okay, Pi, that is the trip generated in zone I, means trip generated in zone A, that is we have, that value is 1000, okay, 1000 into trip attracted from zone I to J means T A to X, okay, X industrial estate ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು trips attract ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, that is given in the question, okay, that is 3700. Observe the question, okay, from industrial estate X, okay, there to the industrial estate X there are 3700, okay, there are 3700 jobs ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ. 4 ಝೋನ್ ಇಂದನೂ 4 ಝೋನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ 4 ಝೋನ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ 3700 ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಟು ದಿ ವೈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಓಕೆ. Totally we have 4500 jobs, means that number of trips are attracting to the industrial estate Y from the 4 zones, okay. Next A agide, next X value, that is the 3700, okay. The time given A to X travel madliki ಎಷ್ಟು time, that is given here, that is 15, it is 15, okay. For this I am applying the value 15, and n value it is given in the question, okay. N value it is given, see, inversely proportional to the square of the journey times, okay. Square of the journey times means it is 2, okay. The n value will be 2 divided by summation of the total attraction. Okay, summation of the total number of attraction. Okay, that is the AJ divided by, we know the attraction 3700 divided by di2 k. Okay, for this the time taken is 15. Okay, 15 square plus 4500. It is summation of the attraction. Okay, for industrial estates X and Y. Okay, 4500 divided by di2j, that is for this a to y. The time taken is 20 minutes. Okay, so it is divided by 20 and n value we know that is 2. 20 square. Okay, check madi. Okay, use the calculator. How much you will get? Okay, I got 594. Okay, for this I got value 594 bandide. Okay, you have to check it. Okay, next T A to Y. Okay, next trips between T A to Y. T A to Y. T A to Y. We know the trips produced in zone A is 1000. Okay, attracted to Y. We know that is 4500. So multiply it by 4500 divided by di2j. We know the time to travel between A to Y, that is 20 minutes. So it is 20 square divided by summation of the attraction, that is 3700 divided by time. We know A to X, it is 15 square plus 4500 divided by 20 whole to the power of square. We will get, see, you will get 604. I think you will get 604 the value. Okay, sorry, 594 alwa, you will get 406. You will get 406. You have to check it. Value check. Okay, you will get 406. Similarly, we have to distribute the trips between B to X, B to Y, C to X, C to Y, D to X, and lastly D to Y. Iga 2 zones to trips and distribute madidene. Remaining 6 zones we have to distribute it. Okay, I think I can rub this. Okay, can rub this now. Next, trips between T, B to X, B to X. See the trips produced in zone B, that is 2250. The PA value will be 2250 into, from B it is attracting to X, so attraction is 3700 divided by, see the time taken to travel between B to X, that is 15. Okay, so 15 square divided by 3700 divided by 15 square plus 4500. Okay, the time taken to travel from B to Y, it is 10. Okay, 10 minutes. So it is 10 square. Okay, check it. Check madbeko. Say I got 602. Okay, I got 602. I got 602. Next, T B to Y. T B to Y. We know the trip generated, that is 2250, and it is attracting towards the industrial estate Y, that is 4500 divided by 10 square whole multiplied by 3700 divided by 15 square plus 4500 divided by 10 square. Okay, I think you will get 1648. Okay, you will get 1648. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಗಾಟ್ 1647.94. Okay, it is almost is equal to, approximately it is equal to 1648. Okay, similarly you calculate for T C2X. Okay, from zone C the trips generated are 1750. Okay, it is 1750. 1750. Okay, towards X industrial estate. So it is 3700 divided by the time taken between C to X, it is 10 minutes. C to X, it is 10 minutes. So 10 square divided by 3700 divided by 10 square plus 4500 divided by, okay, C to Y, the time taken between C to Y, it is just there 10 minutes. So it is divided by 10 square. Okay, how much you will get? Okay, you have to calculate it. Okay, you calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, I have calculated values, so I am writing. You have to calculate that. Okay, 789.63. 789.63. 789.63 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, next you have to calculate for C2Y. You have to calculate for C2Y. 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 T C2Y. See the trips generated in zone C, that is the 1750, and it is attracting to industrial estate Y, that is 4500 divided by the time taken, that is 10 square divided by 3700 divided by 10 square plus 4500 10 square. Similarly, T D to X, from D to X, the trips generated in zone D, that is 3200. Okay, 3200, and it is attracting towards industrial estate X, D to X. So it is 3700 divided by the time taken for D to X. Okay, for D to X it is 15. Okay, it is 15. Okay, we know the n value, so it is multiplied. Okay, it is 2. Okay. Next, 3700 divided by 15 square plus D to Y. We know the trips between D to Y, that is 4500, and the time taken to travel from D to Y, it is 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Lastly, D to Y, trips between D to Y. Okay, D to Y, from D it is 3200, for Y it is 4500. Okay, the time taken is 20 whole divided by attraction, that is the 3700 divided by 15 square plus 4500 divided by 20 square. Okay, see ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ? ಫಾರ್ T C2Y I got 7. Okay, for C2Y I got 960.36. 960.36. For D2X I got 1900.10. Okay, for D2Y I got 1300. Okay, I got 1299.99. It is very near to 1300. Round off ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, I think you got these values. Please check it by using calculator. ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you have to check that values. Okay, next I think I can rub this. I think you all copied on this. Copied ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಬೇಗ. ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to write down with me itself. Okay, you have to solve the problem with me. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay, next we have to tabulate the results. What we have calculated, that we have to tabulate now. Okay, we have to represent the trips in the OD matrix. Okay, we have to represent the result in the OD matrix. We have to plot a OD matrix. That is origin destination matrix. Okay, origin A, B, C, D. Destination attraction is towards Y, X, Y. Okay, from A to X we got 594. Okay, now when calculate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ now, that value should be tabulated here. Okay, check down, check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, for A to X we got 594. Okay, for A to X 594 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕದು. ಓಕೆ, A to X we got 594. for A to Y we got 406 for A to Y. Next, B to X we got 602. B to Y we got 1648. Okay, nearer value ಗೆ round off ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, C to A we got 790. We got 790. 789 point something ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, we are round offing that. Okay, 790. C to Y, okay, the nearest value it will be is equal to 960. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ round off ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ lower side ಗೆ round off ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 930.36 ಇತ್ತು. So I am round offing it to 960. Next, D to X we got 1900. Similarly, D to Y we got 1300. 1300. Now see Tij to J for origin zones A, B, C and D. Okay, total production. Okay, total production ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? you have to total this value. It is 1000. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು? 2250, 1750. Lastly we will get 3200. add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೋ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will get this value. Okay, that is the Ti to J for origin. total production ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, we have to find the total of this. Okay, we will get 1000, 2250, 2250. Next we will get 1750. Last, that is the 3200. Okay, here total calculated attraction. Total calculated attraction. Total calculated attraction. So I am calculating as a CJ. Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 3886. Okay, add this column. We are going to get 4314. But the total will get same. Total same ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, 8000. ಈ ಕಾಲಮು ಈ ರೋ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will get 8200. Lastly, that is the total prediction that is given in the question. Okay, ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್? Okay, it is 3700. Okay, for industrial estate Y it is 4500. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? will get 8200 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ರೋ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್. Okay, see the total calculated, ನಾವು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, that total calculated attraction is not tallying with the given prediction. See the given prediction ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? From A to X, B to X, C to X, D to X. It should be 3700. But now distribute ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. After distributing this, observe this value, it is not tallying with this value. Okay, it is over project ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, 3700 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಫ್ರಮ್ ABCD towards X, but we are getting 3886. Similarly in this case we have got under projected, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. We should get 4500 from A to Y, B to Y, C to Y and D to Y. Okay, the total number of trips is 4500, but we got less than that. It is not tallying with the given value, so we have to do the further iteration. Before that you take down one note. Okay, before that you take down one statement. It is seen that the result of distribution, comma, the attractions do not tally with the prediction attractions. Do not tally with the predicted attraction. You can observe that. See, with the predicted values ನಾವೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. An iterative procedure is necessary. An iterative procedure is necessary to balance out both the predicted attraction and production, both the predicted attractions and productions. For this purpose, the total attractions are first adjusted as follow. Okay, are first adjusted as follows. Okay, before going to next iteration we have to apply adjustment factor for this attraction factor. Okay, adjust ಮಾಡಬೇಕು this attraction factor na we have to adjust it before going to next iteration. Okay, before going to next iteration we are going to adjust the attraction factor. Okay, see, this is the equation is used to adjust it. Okay, attraction factor na set ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ for next iteration. This is the equation used. AJM is equal to AJ divided by CJ M2 1 into AJ M2 1. Okay, use this equation to adjust the attraction factor for next iteration. Okay, before going to next iteration we have to adjust the attraction factor. Newly calculated attraction factor ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು. ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ವೇರ್ AJM is equal to adjusted attraction factor. Okay, AJM is equal to adjusted attraction factor. ಈಗ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವೇನು ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, adjusted attraction factor for iteration M. For iteration M means second iteration. AJM2 first iteration ಈಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, first iteration completed. Now we are doing the second iteration. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು AJ find out ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So it is AJ2. The M will be 2, second iteration. It indicates second iteration, AJ2. Next, AJ is the desired attraction or predicted attraction. What is given in the question? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Desired attraction. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, that is the desired or predicted attraction. That is the actual AJ. Next, AJM21. AJM21. That is the attraction factor for first iteration. Okay, that is the attraction for first iteration. Means same AJ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. That is the first iteration ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, that is the AJM21 divided by CJM21, all divided by CJM21, where CJM21 is the actual calculated attraction factor. Okay, calculated attraction factor we have got here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ this value. This is the CJM21, that is the calculated attraction factor. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Next, apply the values. Okay, AJ2 means it indicates second iteration. Okay, 2 indicates the second iteration, where AJ gottu namge, that is 3700. Okay, see, we are finding for zone X. Okay, you can write down here for zone X, for zone X 3000 into, as I told, first iteration ge ನಾವು attraction same ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, M21, okay, that M1 indicates the first iteration. Okay, in that we have taken the same value, that is 3700. Now calculated attractions. Okay, calculated attraction ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, that is 3886. Okay, 3886, 3886. Okay, check it, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Similarly for zone Y, for zone Y 4500 into 4500, it remains same. First iteration ಗಿದೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು attraction factor, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, divided by now calculated attraction factor ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ, 4314. 4314, it is 4314. Okay, check it, how much you will get. Okay, I got 3523. 3523. For zone Y I got 4694. Okay, 4694. Okay, next, for next iteration we have to take down this, okay, as X and Y value. Okay, next attraction factor idu for X and Y. Okay, to distribute the trips in the next iteration we have to take these values. Okay, this as X value and this as Y. Okay, next iteration. Similarly, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, same equation will be used now, where Ti2j is equal to, that is Pi into Aj divided by Di2j whole divided by summation of Di2k to the power of n. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, same equation will be used. Okay, next, the trips from A to X, T A to X, T A to X. We know the trips generated in zone A, that is the 1000. Okay, 1000, 100, and it is to attracting towards X. We got new value. Okay, that is 3523. We have to take that value, 3523 divided by time taken to travel from A to X. Okay, time travel. Okay, time taken to travel from A to X, it is 15 minutes divided by 15, divided by 15 whole divided by 3523 divided by 15 plus Y, the total number of trips attracted to zone Y. Now calculated ತಗೊಬೇಕು, that is 4694. 4694 divided by time taken to travel from A to Y, it is 20 minutes. It is 20 minutes. So we know the n value 2, inversely proportional to the square of journey times. It is given in the question, so the n will be 2. If it is not given, at that time you can assume it as a 2. It is an exponential constant. Okay, it varies from 1 to 3. We are going to assume 2. Problem al kottilla, question al kottilla andre, if it is given, take that value itself. Next, T A to Y. Okay, we know the trips generated from T A to Y, that is 1000 into 4694 divided by 20 square whole divided by 3523, 15 square plus 4694 divided by 20 square. Similarly, T B2x, B2x, okay, from B to X we know the trip generated is from B is 2250, 2250 into X, that is 3523. The time taken to travel from B to X is 15 minutes. 15 square whole divided by 3523 divided by 15 square plus 4694 divided by 20 square. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ a to y value ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ a to y, a to x, b to, okay, a to x I got 571.66, 571.66. Okay, similarly for b to x I got, sorry, a to y, t a to y I got 428.4, 428.4. Next b to x I got 562.8, 562.8. Similarly calculate for other zones. Okay, similarly calculate for other zones. Okay, next we have a t b to y. Next we have to calculate for t b to y, t b to y, t b to y. Okay, we know that trips generated in B is 2250 into 35 b to y alva, it will be 4694, 4694. Okay, time is 20 square whole divided by 3523 plus 15 square plus 4694 divided by 20 square. Similarly, next T C to X, we know the trips generated in C, that is 1750, 1750 into attracting towards X, that is 3523. Time taken is 10, 10 square divided by 3523, 10 square plus 4694 divided by 10 square. Next C to Y, 1750 into 4694, 4694 divided by 10 square divided by 3523, 10 square plus 4694 divided by 10 square. Next d2 x is equal to, we know the trips generated in zone D, that is 3200. Okay, 3200. Okay, into towards X, so it is 3523 divided by, okay, d2x, the time taken is 15 minutes, so 15 square divided by 3523, 15 square plus 4694 divided by, it is d to y, it is 20, so 20 square, 20 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so lastly d to y, we have to calculate d to y. Okay, d to y ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, I will write down here itself d to y. Okay, before that b to y ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. b to y, okay, b to y will get 1687.14. okay, c to x I got 750.3, c to y I got, c to y it is 999.69. okay, lastly that is d2x, d2x will get 1829.3, 3, 1. Okay. Last d2y is remaining. Okay, d2y is remaining. Okay, d2y. T d2y. Okay, we know from D the trips generated is 3200 and it is attracting towards zone Y. We know it is 4694 and the time taken to travel from D to Y it is 20. So 3523 divided by 15 square plus 4694 divided by 20 square. Okay, you will get 1371. Okay, 1371. Again, whatever the values calculated, okay, that should be tabulated in a OD matrix, new OD matrix. You will get the new OD matrix. We are going to get the new OD matrix. The result should be tabulated here. OD X Y A B C D. Okay. Now after distributing A to X ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A to X. See here little bit I am going to round off it. Okay. For example 1687 ಇದೆ. Okay. It is nearer to 1687. Okay. This value, okay, 99.69, that is near to 1000. Okay. Like that I am going to round off it. Okay. From A to X it is 572. I got 571.66. Okay, it is nearest to this value. Highest ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ round off ಮಾಡಿ. Next A to Y I got 428. Similarly B to X I got 563. Okay, B to Y it is there. You can round off it to 1687. Next C to X we got 750, lower side is okay, 750. C to Y it is near to 1000. Okay, so it is 1000. Next D to X, okay, we can round off it to 1829. Okay, D to Y you get 1371. Okay, now TI to J. Similarly TI to J for origin zones A, B, C and D. Total productions are total trip generation or production. Okay, productions are, okay, we'll get 1000, 2250, 1750. Okay, lastly we'll get 3200. Here newly calculated, okay, newly calculated attractions. Okay, newly calculated total attraction, newly calculated total attraction. Now you have to add this column. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, I got 572 plus 563 plus 750 plus 1829. You will get 3714. You will get 3714. Similarly add this column 428 plus 1687 plus 1000 plus 1371. You will get 4486. Okay, add made you will get 8000. Lastly predicted or desired attraction. Predicted, okay, given idu change agalla. Okay, it is predicted. ಈ predicted ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Predicted or desired attraction. Okay, that is the total predicted attraction, that is AJ. Okay, as we know it is 3700, it is 4500. Now you can observe in second iteration these values are very close, okay, it is nearer. Now also they are not tallying with this, exactly they are not tallying with this, but they are very near when compared to first iteration. Okay, when compared to first iteration, now the calculated attractions are very near to the desired attraction, predicted ಗೆ near ಇದೆ. Okay, 3700, it is near to this value. Okay, you can compare the first value, okay, first iteration value ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ you have to compare it now. Okay, compare ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, it is very near, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, it is very near it now. Further ಇನ್ನೂ accuracy ಬೇಕು. Okay, ಇನ್ನೂ accuracy ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to go further iteration. Okay, I am going to stop here, but you can continue this same procedure. Okay, you do iteration. Okay, third iteration, ಮೂರನೇ iteration ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, see, I am stopping for these 2 iterations. You can do further iteration to get more accuracy. Okay, take down one statement, last statement. See, it is seen that, okay, it is seen that, see in exam, okay, after, see in exam at least you have to do minimum 2 number of iteration, 2 iteration. After getting 2 iteration, you have to write a statement. If they are not tallying exactly with the predicted value, with the given value, if it is not tallying, last you have to write, okay, at last you have to write down one sentence. You have to write down one sentence, means you have to do the further iteration to get the more accuracy. Take down that. It is seen that the results are now closer to the total predicted attraction. Now closer to the total predicted attractions. Full stop. If more accuracy is needed, further iterations can be carried down. Okay, I am stopping for this 2 iteration ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. You can continue the procedure. Okay, next iteration ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು to get the more accuracy. In exam you have to do minimum 2 number of iterations should be done in exam. After that you can write down this statement. To get the more accuracy we can do next iteration. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, thank you.